Hi, I'm Jack Farrell, and today we're going to open properly a bottle of sparkling wine. Now, sparkling wine is put in a bottle under about 9 degrees of atmospheric pressure, so that they're put in there kind of tightly, and the reason for that is they want to keep the sparkle in the bottle. So when you open a bottle of sparkling wine, you should remember that the wine should be chilled, because if the wine is not chilled, it'll go all over the place. Now I've undone the wire cap that holds this little mushroom-shaped cork in the bottle, and then I will slowly twist the cork out. Pop! Just a delight. That's why champagne delights all of the senses. Audio too. That pop of the champagne makes you anticipate the beautiful sparkling bubbles that are about to please even the most jaded palate. Cheers.